Welcome back to EarthRawGift. Tonight, we embark on a journey that stretches across cosmic time, one that begins with a question many have pondered, gazing up at the night sky. Where did the moon come from? It hangs above us, serene and mysterious, cycling through its phases and lighting our nights, but its origins are far more dramatic than its tranquil glow suggests. Tonight, we uncover the epic tale of the moon's birth, a story woven into the very fabric of our planet's existence and our own. To understand the moon, we must travel back nearly 4.5 billion years, to the infancy of our solar system, a time when Earth itself was still young, turbulent, and unrecognizable. The solar system was a chaotic realm of swirling dust and growing planets, each vying for dominance, each shaped by violent collisions. Among these wandering worlds was a planet we call Theia, roughly the size of Mars. Theia, like Earth, was drawn into the gravitational ballet of the early system, and as fate would have it, their paths intersected in a cataclysmic encounter. The collision between Earth and Theia was unlike anything witnessed since. In a split second, unimaginable forces were unleashed. Theia slammed into our young Earth with such intensity that both planets were transformed in an instant. Mountains vaporized, oceans boiled away, and colossal plumes of molten rock erupted into space. The impact was so powerful that a vast amount of debris was ejected from both planets, forming a glowing, incandescent disk encircling the battered Earth. Within this disk, a cosmic dance began. The searing fragments of rock and metal, remnants of both Theia and Earth, started to coalesce. Gravity pulled them together, slowly, inexorably, shaping them into a single massive sphere. As the debris cooled and solidified, the moon was born, a child of violence and fire, forged from the very substance of our planet and its ill-fated sibling. The scars of that collision, the unique chemical signatures, are still detectable in moon rocks today, connecting our closest cosmic companion to the tumultuous dawn of Earth itself. But the moon's story doesn't end with its birth. From the moment it formed, it began to exert a profound influence over its parent planet. One of the most crucial roles the moon plays is in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt. Without the moon, Earth's axis, the imaginary line it spins around, would wobble wildly over time, leading to extreme and unpredictable changes in climate. With the moon's gravitational embrace, our planet's tilt remains steady, giving rise to the seasonal rhythms that shape life on Earth. This stability allowed complex ecosystems to flourish. As Earth spun and orbited the sun, the moon's presence ensured that seasons followed predictable patterns, enabling plants and animals to adapt. The moon's gravity also tugged at our oceans, creating tides that rise and fall like a heartbeat. These tides are not mere curiosities. They have driven the evolution of life itself. In ancient seas, tidal forces created shifting habitats, guiding early life forms to adapt, migrate, and diversify. The gentle pull and release of the moon's gravity may have even helped life make the leap from water to land. Imagine a world without the moon. Earth's tilt would shift chaotically, plunging continents into ice ages or relentless heat. Tides would be feeble, stagnant, robbing the oceans of their dynamic energy. The moon's influence is so fundamental that without it, Earth might have been inhospitable to the complex life we know today. Its silent guidance has shaped our world in ways both visible and invisible, entwining our destinies from the very beginning. Beyond its physical role, the moon has captivated the imagination of humanity for millennia. Long before telescopes and rockets, ancient civilizations looked skyward, spinning stories to explain its silvery glow. In every culture and corner of the world, the moon has been a source of wonder, mystery, and inspiration. It has been worshipped as a deity mapped by the earliest astronomers and used as a guide for travel and agriculture. Myths abound. In China, the moon is home to the jade rabbit and the goddess Chang'e, symbols of immortality and longing. In ancient Greece, the goddess Selene rode her chariot across the night sky, bringing light to the world. Native American legends tell of the moon as a protector, a keeper of time and tides. The moon has marked the passage of months, inspired art, poetry, and song, and served as a beacon in the darkness. As human civilization advanced, our fascination with the moon only deepened. Early astronomers tracked its movements, noticing how its cycles influenced everything from the tides to the behavior of animals. The moon became a tool for navigation, guiding explorers across oceans and deserts. Its surface, pockmarked with craters and mysterious shadows, beckoned us to dream of journeys beyond our own world. Then, in the 20th century, humanity's connection to the moon reached new heights. In 1969, after centuries of wonder and speculation, humans set foot on its surface for the first time. The Apollo 11 mission was a triumph of science, engineering, and determination. As Neil Armstrong descended the ladder and uttered his immortal words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," the moon welcomed its first visitors from Earth. This moment was more than a technological achievement. It was a profound reaffirmation of our ties to the moon. For the first time, we saw Earth as a fragile blue sphere suspended in the void, reflected in the moon's barren landscape. The Apollo missions brought back rocks and dust, unlocking secrets of the moon's formation and, by extension, our own origins. Humanity's footprints joined the ancient craters, symbols of our curiosity and courage. In the decades since, the moon has continued to inspire exploration and ambition. Robotic missions have mapped its surface in detail, uncovering evidence of water ice hidden in shadowed craters. Plans for future lunar bases, and even the possibility of mining resources, have reignited interest in our nearest neighbor. The moon remains a stepping stone to the broader cosmos, a gateway to Mars, asteroids, and beyond. Yet, for all our scientific advances, the moon retains its mystery. Its far side, unseen from Earth, was only revealed in the last century. The question of whether it harbors resources or secrets that could benefit humanity is still open. As we look to the future, the moon beckons us to return, to explore, to learn, and perhaps to settle. The moon is not just a rock in the sky. It is Earth's twin, born in fire and shaped by the same forces that made our world. It has guided the rhythms of life, inspired the rise of civilizations, and welcomed humanity's first steps into the universe. The moon's story is our story, a tale of collision and creation, of wonder and discovery, of dreams reaching beyond the horizon. As you gaze up at the moon tonight, remember that its light is a reflection of a cosmic drama, billions of years in the making. The moon is a testament to the power of chance and the beauty of consequence. Its presence reminds us that even in the vastness of space, connections endure, destinies intertwine, and stories unfold. The moon's journey began with violence, a collision so fierce that it reshaped two worlds. But from that chaos emerged harmony, stability, and the conditions for life. The moon's gravitational pull steadies our planet, its cycles shape our environment, and its light guides our way. Its influence permeates every aspect of life on Earth, from the tides that lap at our shores to the myths that color our dreams. In every culture, the moon is a symbol of change, of time, of hope. It waxes and wanes, reminding us of the cycles that govern all things. Its phases mark the passage of months, its eclipses awe and inspire. The moon has been a muse for poets, a compass for explorers, a canvas for scientists. Its allure is universal, bridging continents and centuries, connecting us to something greater than ourselves. The Apollo missions were a turning point, not just technologically, but philosophically. They showed us that the moon, once unreachable, was within our grasp. They revealed the fragility of Earth and the vastness of space. They challenged us to dream bigger, to push the boundaries of what is possible. Today, as new missions prepare to return to the moon, we stand on the cusp of another era of discovery. The moon's surface holds clues to the history of the solar system, records of impacts, traces of volcanic activity, whispers of water frozen in eternal shadow. Its rocks tell the story of its violent birth and its long, quiet existence. By studying the moon, we learn not just about our nearest neighbor, but about our own planet, its origins, its evolution, its future. The idea of building lunar bases, mining resources, or using the moon as a launchpad for deeper space exploration is no longer science fiction. The moon is a repository of potential, a frontier waiting to be explored. Its proximity makes it an ideal target for research, experimentation, and even settlement. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. The moon's influence extends beyond physical forces. It touches the very core of what it means to be human. It invites us to wonder, to seek, to imagine. It is a constant presence in our skies, a reminder of our place in the universe. Whether inspiring the first farmers to plant by its phases, guiding sailors across uncharted waters, or encouraging scientists to reach for the stars, the moon has shaped our destiny. As we look ahead, the moon will continue to play a vital role in our story. Its surface may host astronauts, scientists, and explorers. Its resources could fuel new technologies. Its mysteries could unlock new knowledge. The moon is both a destination and a beginning, a place where the next chapter of human exploration may be written. And yet, for all its promise, the moon remains a symbol of humility. Its barren surface is a stark contrast to the vibrancy of Earth. Its silence reminds us of the fragility of life, the preciousness of our home. The moon's story is a mirror, reflecting our achievements and our aspirations, our fears and our hopes. Tonight, as you watch the moon rise, remember the journey it has taken. From fiery birth to silent partnership, from ancient myth to modern exploration, the moon is woven into the fabric of our existence. It is a witness to our history, a guide to our future, and a companion in the vastness of space. The moon is not just a rock, it is Earth's twin, born in fire, shaping our destiny. Its presence is a gift, a reminder of the forces that created our world and the possibilities that lie ahead. As we continue to explore, to learn, and to dream, the moon will remain by our side, lighting the way with its gentle glow. So the next time you gaze up at the moon, let its story inspire you. Remember the collision that forged it, the role it plays in our lives, the myths and memories it has shaped. The moon is more than a celestial body. It is a testament to the power of creation, the beauty of connection, and the endless potential of exploration. Thank you for joining us tonight on EarthRawGift, as we uncovered the dramatic birth and enduring legacy of our closest cosmic companion. The moon's story is our story, one of fire, transformation, and hope. Until next time, keep looking up and let the wonder of the universe guide your journey.